Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Live expiring. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. According to Facebook Lives are only last for 8 hours, and after that Facebook Live will mostly expire. And in this case, if your live stream is expiring after 8 hours, you can do nothing in that scenarios because Facebook gives only 8 hours for the live streaming at once. But if your video gets cracked or your live keeps ending before 8 hours, it might be because of your poor internet connection. In this case, just simply fix your internet connection and try to go live after that. Otherwise, it might be the issues with the Facebook servers. If that is the case, you just simply have to wait for some hours for Facebook to fix this issue, and whenever the issue gets solved, you can go live in Facebook without any expiration dates. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.